Biyahe kasama si DJ Lala, aarangkada na.
Basahin na natin ang sulat na ipinadala sa atin sa ating Byahe Textline na 0917-851-4329. My love, ito ang biyahe ng buhay ni Maxine. Hello po DJ Lala, itago nyo na lang po ko sa pangalang Maxine. So ganito po yon. Iniwan po ako ng jowa ko. 2 years na po kaming wala, pero parang hanggang ngayon, mahal ko pa rin siya. Ano po bang klaseng pag-move on ang nararapat kong gawin? Hindi ko na po talaga alam kung ano pa yung pwede kong gawin. More power and God bless po to your show. Stay safe and healthy. Stay safe. Well, Maxine, ganito, no? And for everybody na din, this goes for everybody who is trying to move on from a past. Move on from someone. Move on from heartbreak. My love, there's no telling how long it's gonna take for you to completely move on from someone. For you to completely forget that someone. For you to completely take that someone off sa system mo. There's no way in telling and there's no way in counting kung hanggang kailan at gaano mo siya katagal bago malimutan. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, iba-iba tayo ng thought process, iba-iba tayo ng coping mechanism, iba-iba tayo ng proseso ng paghilom ng mga sugat natin. Pero one thing is for sure, hihilom at hihilom din yan. Stop pressuring yourself to forget this someone. Stop pressuring yourself na agad-agad maka-move on from that painful relationship. Stop pressuring yourself dahil up until now, 2 years later after nyo mag-break up, hanggang ngayon nararamdaman mo pa rin na siya yung mahal mo. Stop. Stop beating yourself up and forcing yourself na gumawa ng paraan to make the moving on process happen. Or to make the move on stage process happen. Wag mong pilitin yung sarili mo every single day, ipaalala sa sarili mo, nagmo-move on ka, nagmo-move on ka, nagmo-move on ka. Kasi the more you do it, the more na hindi ka maka-move on. Why? Kasi your head is battling your head as well. Telling you things and telling you multiple reasons as to why hindi mo siya makalimutan. Naiintindihan mo yon? Parang nagkakaroon ka ng battle of thoughts. Kinukondisyon mo yung utak mo every single day. You are telling yourself to get over this guy, and then pagkasabi mo pa lang ng this guy, sa kabila ng utak mo or sa subconscious mo, naaalala mo everything that's good about the guy. Making it hard for you to feel bad about the relationship, to feel bad about the guy, to forget the guy. Kasi ginagawa mo siyang mantra. Huwag mo siyang gawing mantra. Live every single day like how you normally live your day, without expecting yourself na makaka-move on ka na this day, without expecting anything from yourself. Just let go. Just be free, my love. Yung walang shackles na kailangan na mag-tiptoe around ka na, hindi ko to pwedeng puntahan kasi it reminds me of him, hindi ako pwedeng mahumaling sa color red kasi it reminds me of him. Don't do that to yourself. Huwag mong bigyan ng mga boundaries yung sarili mo. Just live your life how you normally live your life. Kung maaalala mo siya, edi maalala mo siya. Kung di mo siya maalala within a day, then yay! Yay for you! Kapag kausap mo yung mga kaibigan mo, stop bringing about your moving on process up. Stop telling your friends to set you up with another guy kasi gusto mo na mag-move on from the past. Kasi again, sinasabi mo na naman yung move on. Which leads to you remembering this guy. Which leads to you remembering your relationship with this guy. Nagigets mo ko, my love? Kasi the only person who's reminding you of that relationship is you, my love. Ikaw na lang, Maxine, ang nagre-remind sa sarili mo about this relationship by pressuring yourself to move on from this relationship. darating din yung araw na hindi mo na siya maaalala. Darating din yung araw na kung maalala mo man siya, di ka na masasaktan. Dadating din yung araw na kapag naalala mo siya, di ka na galit. Kasi you don't care. Kasi you accept that this person was part of your past. Parte siya ng nakaraan mo. Isa siya sa mga taong humulma ng kung sino ka man today. Naiintindihan mo ko, my love? Our exes will always be a part of us. Kasi when they left, nag-iwan sila ng lesson in life that we will carry throughout our lifetime. So we can really forget about them. And there's gonna be no telling, my love, how long until you can move on from this relationship. But one thing is for sure, you will. Eventually, you will. Huwag mo lang i-pressure yun sarili mo. Wala namang oras na kailangan habulin. Hindi naman to competition. It's not a race. Kung sinong unang makaka-move on, sino ang hindi. Go about that process at your own pace, my love, without thinking of anything else. Kung medyo mabagal ka, that's okay. Kung medyo mahirap on your end, that's okay. Maging normal ka lang. I'm sure you haven't forgotten how to be normal. Sabi ko sa'yo, kapag hindi mo na siya iniisip, kapag hindi mo na din iniisip na nag-move on ka, if you're not even doing anything just for the sake of moving on, that's when moving on becomes natural. And then magigising ka na lang one day, wala na. Wala na yung alaala niya. Yung lessons na lang na natutunan mo mula sa kanya. Klaro? Klaro.